So it's not uncommon. Pull chains are very common, especially in an older home like this. But what we could do is put them all on that one switch. So you go down the stairs, they're all on, and you come back up, they're all off.
That would be perfect. Great.
All right, let me shut the power off and I'll show you what I mean.
Great, thanks.
Well, I've checked all the boxes out in the basement, and I've made this little mock-up display here for you. Let me show you how this works. Right now, we have main power that travels in through this black wire from the panel. Comes up here, ties on to this splice, which goes down, out to the other 3 fixtures in the basement. Those other 3 fixtures have a pull chain. Each one of them is individually controlled. The power branches off here, and you have a white wire, which is called a switch leg. We've identified it by painting it black. This white wire is one of the rare situations where you can tie it into a black splice. It's identified though. The power travels up the white wire, and when the switch is in the off position, it stops right there. But when you turn the switch on, it's going to travel out through the black wire, come right back up here, and that's where it goes on and turns this one light bulb on. That's the one above our head. But what I can do is move one wire here. So what I'm going to do, take this wire here, which travels off to the other 3 fixtures, and we're going to tie that on with these 2 wires, which is the wire coming from the switch. And then you still have the same situation. Power comes in, goes up to the light switch, comes right back down on the black, and now it goes to this one fixture still, but it also goes to the other 3 fixtures in the basement, turning those on. What do you think?
So by moving that one wire, you power the other 3 lights as well.
That's right. They'll all be controlled by the same switch. You won't get as much exercise, but I think you'll like it down here better.
That sounds good to me.
All right, let's do it. There's one more upgrade I want to make. This is what you have now. It's a 100 watt incandescent light bulb, generates a lot of heat and uses a lot of electricity. And it's glass. What I'd like to give you is this here. It's plastic and no light bulb. Those are LED diodes right there. They generate no heat and they give off a real lot of light, and they use 90% less electricity than that light bulb right there. What do you think?
Does it require any additional wiring?
Well, that's the best part about it. No. This just screws in to the existing socket that you have and hides your existing keyless or porcelain fixture.
Oh, that's great.
That's it. Let's put them in.
Let's do it.
All right. All right, Ed, let's get the power back on and test it out. Go ahead, hit the switch. Wow, wait till you see this.
Oh, all the lights are on with one switch. That's great.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Basement looks a lot brighter, right?
Yeah, it looks great.
And it's going to save you a lot of money in your electric bill.